on, dear students. I hope you are enjoying online learning maths. Today we are going to start with the chapter number 8, divisibility. These rules are certain one which helps us to determine the actual divisor of a number just by considering the digits of the number. Let us look into these rules for different whole numbers one by one. Divisibility rules or divisibility test have been mentioned to make the division procedure easier and quicker. Mathematics is not very easy for some of us. At times, the need for tricks and shorthand techniques is felt, so as to solve maths problems faster and easier without actual calculation. It will also help students to score better marks in exams. These rules are a great example of such shorthand techniques. As the name suggests, divisibility rules help one to check whether a number is divisible by another number without actual division. If a number is completely divisible by another number, it means that in such case, quotient will be a whole number and the division will leave 0 as remainder. Since every number is not completely divisible by every other number, such numbers leave remainder other than 0. Divisibility by 1. Every number is divisible by 1. Divisibility rule for 1 doesn't have any particular condition. Any number divided by 1 will give the number itself, irrespective of how large the number is. For example, 3 is divisible by 1 and 3000 is also divisible by 1 completely. Divisibility by 2. Any even number or number whose last digit is an even number, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, including 0, is always completely divisible by 2. For example, 12 is divisible by 2. Here you have to check the last digit of the number, which is 2, and divide it by 2. If the last digit 2 is divisible by 2, then the number 12 is also divisible by 2. Another example, 27 is not an even number. Hence, this is not divisible by 2. Divisibility rule by 3. Divisibility rule for 3 states that a number is completely divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. That is, it is a multiple of 3. Let us consider one number, 216. Now first take the sum of the digits, that is 2 plus 1 plus 6, which is equals to 9. Now check whether the sum is divisible by 3 or not. Now 9 is divisible by 3 and it's a multiple of 3, therefore 216 is divisible by 3. Let us consider another number, 308. To check whether 308 is divisible by 3 or not, take sum of the digits, that is 3 plus 0 plus 8, which is equals to 11. Now check whether the sum is divisible by 3 or not. If the sum is a multiple of 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. Here, since 11 is not divisible by 3, 308 is also not divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. If the last two digits of a number are divisible by 4, then that number is a multiple of 4 and is divisible by 4 completely. Take the number 2308. Consider the last two digits, that is 08. As 08 is divisible by 4, the original number 2308 is also divisible by 4. So children, here we have to concentrate on the last two digits of a number. Then let's move to the next test, divisibility by 5. Numbers with last digit 0 or 5 are always divisible by 5. For example, 100 ends in 0. Therefore, 100 is divisible by 5. Let us consider another example, 225 ends in 5. Therefore, 225 is also divisible by 5. Divisibility by 6. Numbers which are divisible by both 2 and 3 are divisible by 6. That is, if last digit of the given number is even and the sum of its digits is a multiple of 3, then the given number is also a multiple of 6. Let us consider the number 360. The number is divisible by 2 as the last digit is 0. The sum of digits is 3 plus 6 plus 0 is equals to 9, which is divisible by 3. Hence, 360 is divisible by 6. Divisibility by 9. The rule for divisibility by 9 is similar to divisibility rule for 3. If the sum of digits of the number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. For example, 81. As the sum of its digit, that is 8 plus 1 is equals to 9, which is divisible by 9. Hence, the number 81 is divisible by 9. Here you can see the number divisible by 9 is also divisible by 3, as the rule says. Divisibility by 10. Divisibility rule for 10 states that any number whose last digit is 0 is divisible by 10. For example, 10, 20, 30, 110, 120, 1000, 2000, 10,000, etc. are divisible by 10 because their units place is 0. Children, in this standard you have divisibility test for 3, 4 and 9 number. Divisibility by 11 is not there for the exam. This is the extra knowledge for you. Divisibility by 11. If the difference of the sum of alternative digits of a number is divisible by 11, then that number is divisible by 11 completely. In order to check whether a number like 2143 is divisible by 11, following is the procedure. Consider the number 2143. Group the alternative digits, that is, digits which are in odd places together and digits in even places together. Here, 2, 4 and 1, 3 are two groups. Take the sum of the digits of each group, that is 2 plus 4 is equals to 6 and 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. Now find the difference of the sums, that is 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. If the difference is divisible by 11, then the original number is also divisible by 11. Here 2 is the difference which is not divisible by 11. Therefore 2143 is not divisible by 11. Now let us consider another number 10,516. Now we have to group the alternative digits here. In odd places we have 1, 5 and 6, and in the even places we have 0 and 1. When we add digits in the odd places, 1 plus 5 plus 6, we will get 12. When we add digits in even places, we will get 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Now we have to find the difference of the sums. 12 minus 1 is equals to 11. Now if the difference is divisible by 11, then the original number is also divisible by 11. Here 11 is the difference which is divisible by 11. Therefore 10,516 is divisible by 11. Children, let us solve some examples from the textbook for the divisibility by 3. Now here are some numbers as given in the table, and we have to fill up next columns in the table. So number has given 63. We have to write sum of the digits in the number. So it becomes 6 plus 3, which is equals to 9. Is the sum divisible by 3? 9 is divisible by 3. So answer is yes. Is the given number divisible by 3? Yes. 9 is divisible by 3. That means number 63 is also divisible by 3. See the second number 872. Sum of the digits is 8 plus 7 plus 2, which is equals to 17. So 70 is not divisible by 3. So original number is also not divisible by 3. Third number 91. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, which is not divisible by 3. Therefore original number 91 is also not divisible by 3. Next number you can see 552. Then add the digits 5 plus 5 plus 2, which is 12, which is divisible by 3. Therefore 552 is divisible by 3. Like that you have to solve all the sums here. Now let us complete this given table for the test of divisibility for 4. Here in the table numbers as given, and then we have to fill up these columns. Second column, divide the number by 4. Is it completely divisible? So 992, when you divide by 4, it's completely divisible. The third column, the number formed by the digits in the tens and unit places. So you can see here tens and unit places, it forms the number 92, and therefore this number is divisible by 4. Second example 7314. When you divide this by 4, it's completely divisible or not, you will understand. So this 7314 is not completely divisible by 4. When you take the last two digits, that is tens and unit places, you will get 14, which is not divisible by 4. So 7314 is not divisible by 4. Third number 6448. It's completely divisible by 4. When you take the last digit, it is 48. This is also divisible by 4. Therefore 6448 is divisible by number 4. Then next 8116. It's also completely divisible by 4. When you take the last digit, which is 16, which is also completely divisible by 4, and therefore 8116 is divisible by 4. Similar way you have to solve the remaining sums. Let us solve the next example. Complete the following table for the divisibility test by 9. You can see here the number 1980 has given in the table. We have to divide the number by 9. Is it completely divisible by 9 or not? That we have to find first. Then we have to find the sum of the digits in the number. And lastly, we have to find whether the sum is divisible by 9 or not. So 1980 is completely divisible by 9. Its sum 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 0, which is equals to 18, that is divisible by 9, and therefore 1980 is also divisible by 9. Now next number 2999. It's not completely divisible by 9. When you take the sum of the digits 2 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, which is become 29. 29 is not divisible by 9. Therefore 2999 is also not divisible by 9. Now next number 5004. It's completely divisible by 9. When you take the sum of its digits 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4, which is 9, then the sum is divisible by 9, and therefore this number is also divisible by 9. Next sum, I will solve here the last sum and just show you. 69993, 69,993. This is completely divisible by 9. When we take the sum of its digits 6 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 3, which is equals to 36, and this sum is divisible by 9. So obviously 69,993 is divisible by 9. Let us solve practice set 22. Question: there are some flowering trees in a garden. Each tree bears many flowers with the same number printed on it. 3 children took a basket each to pick flowers. Each basket has one of the numbers 3, 4 or 9 on it. Each child picks those flowers which have numbers divisible by the number on his or her basket. He or she takes only one flower from each tree. Can you tell which numbers the flowers in each basket will have? Let's see the solution. Divisibility rule of 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Flowers in basket number 3 will be 72, 90, 108, 111, 123, 249, 336, that is 336, 369, 432, 435, 450, 666, 960 and 999. You can observe the diagram here. Then the divisibility rule of 4. Once again we will revise. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Therefore, flowers in basket number 4 will be 72, 108, 220, 336, 356, 432 and 960. Now let's revise the divisibility rule of 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Flowers in basket number 9 will be 72, 90, 108, 369, 432, 450, 666, 999.